A fellow is typically a doctor from be it Canada or abroad who are already specialists in their training. So all the fellows here are already recognized specialists in their home country or Canada for medical oncology. And most of the fellows have had additional training aside from the basic training of becoming an oncologist to drug development. And this particular fellowship in the drug development program is a 1 to 2 year fellowship for most of our fellows to gain this additional experience on how early phase clinical trials are run and the logistics behind it, and just being part of the team. Fellows are also involved heavily in the day-to-day management of patients, supervised by the staff physicians themselves. But in terms of day-to-day patient contact, in actual fact, it's really the fellows as well as the nurses who run the unit.
I remember that when I told my bosses in Spain that I have met Lilian Su and that we have been talking about coming here to do a fellowship in the drug development program, they told me, say, don't look for anything else, just go there. This is one of the best hospitals around the world, and this is one of the best drug development programs. You are not going to get best training anywhere else. So my choice was clear. I'm not going to look for anything else. My mentor in Spain told me once, it's like, there's no question that drug development is what you should do in your life, because you cannot be seeing everyday patients that do not well with the treatment and just stay with your arms crossed and not do anything. We need to improve. We need to do things better. We need to try to find a solution for this problem that is cancer. And the only way that we are going to get that solution is through research, to try to find better drugs and better way to administer to our patients. I'm really happy with the environment in Princess Margaret, and especially in the drug development program. And Canada is a great country to live. It has been a wonderful experience.
When I started medical school, I realized that the medical oncology field was so much unknown that really there was so much need to put effort in that. This is not only a career, this is really what you believe in, so and your passion, correct? So there's a lot of motivated physician here and a lot of inspiration, and throughout the years Princess Margaret has gained this international recognition that it's made it such a great place to work. What it inspires me is what has been done so far, and all of these amazing cancer discovery, as well as the need that we still have for all of the patients that are out there. Yeah, that's the motivation. And I guess human being can motivate you, and then science can motivate you as well. So I think the combination of both is so exciting that I find it so fascinating that there's no way I cannot pursue this.
The reason why I'm here is because we, back in Hong Kong, are also trying to establish a phase 1 unit where we also deal with cancer patients participating in early phase clinical trials where there are new drugs. And certainly the Princess Margaret and the Braz Drug Development Program is a premier center to attend, just because of the sheer volume of patients that we have here. And the fact that it's not only the volume, I mean, there are certainly centers in the US with much larger volume, but I think this place has a good balance between volume as well as the amount of teaching that goes on. We're fellows now, it's very good camaraderie, we work with each other, we bounce ideas off each other, but to be honest, in about 10 or 20 years' time, these are going to be the movers and shakers of oncology. And it's important to build up this network, and I think this is sort of the biggest advantage for me to bring home.